Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for April 21st, 2016. For your Thursday, we're going to have high pressure off to our southeast. This is going to allow for a return flow around this high pressure in a clockwise manner like this. It's going to send winds in from the southwest right into our coverage area, and that is going to allow temperatures to get up into the middle 70s in many locations across our coverage area. So the exception for that will be for the far northwestern areas. We'll have to watch for some showers that may try to sneak in. This would be the far northwestern areas, up by State College, up by Williamsport, places like Union, Snyder, Northumberland counties, maybe Columbia County. Might get into an afternoon shower. There's going to be a very brief shower today. Matter of fact, let's go over to the NAM high-res future simulated radar. We're going to look at later in the evening. This is actually late afternoon here on Thursday, so it will be clear up until this point. But I'm going to go to the next couple of frames here. You can see some light shower activity starting to make its way into our far northwest areas, like I just mentioned, those same areas. Elsewhere, we're remaining clear. So I do think it's going to be a mostly sunny day for most, at least to start. Make it some increase in clouds later in the day, as this cold front that's coming is going to be responsible for the showers on late Thursday night and Friday. This will be starting to move in from the west. So move a little bit forward with this. Just want to show you what's going on. This is now looking at the overnight. This is 10 p.m. on 11 p.m. on Friday evening. You have just some spotty light showers. I wouldn't be surprised to see moving across the northwestern portion of the coverage area again, and just an isolated shower overnight. And then we get into the wee hours of the morning here on Friday. We also have some shower activity across eastern Pennsylvania at this point. Again, very hit or miss, very intermittent. And as we get into Friday morning, we'll have a batch of showers move through. Another one more concentrated, looks like, as we get in the evening. So you might have a break. It might be one of those deals where you have showers, some lighter showers in the morning, maybe some more potent showers, maybe even a thunderstorm later Friday. Temperature's going to be definitely warm here on Friday, so we'll keep an eye on that. But it does look like in the overnight hours, this precipitation is going to end. Here is a look at 2 a.m. here. You get to 5 a.m. and you still got some lingering showers hanging around here. And finally, by the time we get to 8 a.m., you have the showers moving off the coastline. So you might be, for our eastern sections at least, we'll call it clouds giving way to sun, but elsewhere we should be partly cloudy at least on Saturday, and it should be drying out pretty quickly. Global models are agreeing with this idea. Here is the look at the system coming in here on Friday with the cold front. High pressure still off to the southeast, so we're going to remain quite warm. Here's the cold front. Again, just spotty showers moving in here. This is not a heavy rainmaker by any means. And then we get into Friday evening, a more concentrated area of showers and perhaps a thunderstorm moving across the coverage area. And then that moves off the coast quickly. Here's early Saturday morning. Again, global models showing maybe far eastern sections, which is a little bit hanging on, maybe just enough in our far eastern sections to call it clouds giving way to sun. Maybe a very early shower right around dawn before this moves out. And I do think this moves out pretty quickly, sets up a high pressure moving in across our coverage area for the weekend. You can see that right here. This high pressure is going to be responsible for our weather both Saturday and Sunday. It's going to keep it seasonably, I don't want to say cool, because it's still going to be slightly above average as far as temperatures are concerned, but it still will be, it won't be cold. It'll definitely be refreshing over the weekend with as far as temperatures go. High pressure will be right on top of us here as we get to Sunday morning. And then it moves off to the southeast. A frontal boundary is going to now move in here on Monday. I do think for most areas this will hold off to later in the day, the afternoon or evening. Here it is as that front sags south. This is a look at Monday evening. Some showers, spotty showers starting to move in. This area of low pressure that's sitting right here is going to form along this frontal boundary, traverse the boundary, and we'll basically move along that. And that'll bring showers into early Tuesday morning, we think. And that should move out here. Here's early Tuesday morning, and then here is later in the morning. So you can see it's already starting to move away with that area of low pressure. And this frontal boundary that was kind of draped over area is going to start sinking to the south here. And once it does, we will clear from northwest to southeast. So I don't think it's going to be an all-day rain event on Monday. I do think you get some steadier showers Monday night, looking right now, and then that clears out after maybe a morning shower, leftover shower or two in the morning here early on Tuesday. And then that's going to be a clouds giving way to sun situation, it looks like, on Tuesday. And that continues right into Wednesday with high pressure building back in. after that point. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for April 21st, 2016. Have a great Thursday.